Hey everybody, this is Mr. Mejia with a video for you. Today I'm going to help you out with solving word problems. Now here's some steps for solving word problems that you can use for every word problem that you come across. Number 1, read the problem at least 2 times. Sometimes with our first time reading, we can't really understand everything the first time around, so maybe a second time, even a third time would be appropriate. So at least 2 times. If you do more, that's great. Number 2, make a list of all the information available. Now, a lot of these word problems have a lot of, well, you guessed it, words. So sometimes the words get us confused with what we actually need to solve. So making a nice, and I'll show you this list, a nice short list will help you understand the problem a little bit better. And number 3, consider what the question is asking of you. Sometimes there's a lot of information that we don't need in word problems, so we need to really focus in on the question and really consider, what is this question actually asking me to do? And obviously, finally, solve. So these are the four steps you should take to solve a word problem. So let me show you what I did at my list. Or let's go with the word problem. In order to start constructing the house, Charlie and his father needed to gather wood from the forest. Charlie gathered 15 planks of wood, and his father got 10 planks. How many planks do they have in total? Now, that's a lot of words. And my first time around, let me go with my my steps for solving word problems. Number 1 says, read the problem at least 2 times. Well, I read it once, I don't understand it, so let me read it again and see. Maybe much slower. In order to start constructing the house, Charlie and his father needed to gather wood from the forest. Charlie gathered 15 planks of wood, and his father got 10 planks. How many planks do they have total? All right. My next step is to make a list of all the information that's available. Here's what I gathered. Charlie has 15 planks of wood. Charlie's dad has 10 planks of wood. How many? And the question is asking me, how many do they have total? So that's step 2. Step 3 is consider what the question is asking of you. Well, this is the question. How many do they have total? And when I hear the word total, I'm thinking adding. I need to find a sum. I need to add. And finally, number 4 is solve. So this is how I solved it. I did 15 plus 10 is 25. So my answer is Charlie and his dad has 25 planks of wood total. And this was all easy for me to do because